Okay guys, I think I have a problem. Not like a serious problem, not like I'm dying or anything like that, but no, my problem is I'm a bit of a muffler junkie, muffler whore, whatever you want to call it. That's me. I'm one of those people that I buy a muffler, think it sounds good, week later don't like it, change it out, run that muffler for a little while, end up not liking that, change it out. I am constantly changing out the freaking muffler. So if you're one of my friends, you probably already know that. You're like, yeah, Patrick does that regularly. Actually, I'll give you an idea. Hold on. Mufflers, cats, mufflers, hold on, another muffler. They're everywhere. I have a problem. Now, with that being said, I do have a problem, but that could be a benefit to you. If there is, say, an exhaust that you would like to hear on my particular setup, which is a 2.5-inch pipe, shorty headers, true dual, if that's what you want, if there's something that you want to, hear on this truck, let me know. Drop it in the comments. I am more than willing to. That's why I have the clamps on there, because I can literally pop the clamps off, move that muffler off, pop the new ones on, clamp them down, test them out, let you know how they sound, just so that you don't have to buy them. If there's, like I said, if there's something that there's a muffler you want to hear but you don't want to buy it, I'll buy it for you. Not for you, but I'll buy it, put it on my truck and test it out for you, let you know how it sounds. So just drop them in the comments. Today I actually went ahead and put my True X back on. So this one, let's go down here real quick. Whee! Okay, this is what I got here today. A little different. So got the MagnaFlow True X right here, built-in X pipe. If you remember the last time, I had two pipes, sticking right here. There just wasn't a whole lot of space. That's the reason why this is back in here. It was melting, as you can see. Hold on. So as you can see, it was actually melting my cable here, so I don't have any protector. I don't really want this to rust and everything like that. And it was kind of binding it up. It just wasn't working the way I'd like it to. And I also, I had no X pipe or crossover pipe in any way, so I wasn't equalizing the pulses and everything like that. And I mean, with this particular vehicle still being stock, and it may not have made that big of a difference. Sorry. But yeah, I like peace of mind. And so, like I said, I went ahead and coming out of these exhausts, I came out and I actually put some pipes on at the end, so it's actually all the way out here. I do plan on running some exhaust out, eventually, not right now. I can live with it like this, because technically what I really want is that rumble. So let's see what it sounds like. Enough of me talking shit. So this will be a cold start. Crazy thing is, this muffler actually sounds better this time than when I had it on previously. Maybe it's the running the pipes out from the muffler coming out a little bit. Maybe, because originally I had just the turn downs put on the end of the muffler and they just kind of dumped out. So maybe it's helping with the scavenging. I'm actually kind of liking the way it sounds a little bit. So let's do some drive-bys and let's get some more sound. So what does she sound like from inside the vehicle? So this is the sound from inside. It's not bad at all, I gotta say. So I gotta figure out a way to do it, a good, drive-by, so you can hear what it sounds like that way too. Hold on. Okay, so that's it. That's MagnaFlow True X on 2.5-inch pipe, True Duals, shorty headers. Yeah, I think that's everything. Turn downs are 20 inches past the muffler this time. So it kind of sounds a little bit better in my opinion. So later, guys.